Hi, this is Reed Durbin. I'm going to share my research project for EDS 8900. I came to this particular study because after reading about various platforms, I wondered how many high school teachers were actually using social networking sites with their students. And I wondered what the impact of that use was. Here's what I wanted to know. These were the key questions I asked my participants. Then I followed up with, are there any aspects which I didn't cover that you'd like to relate, giving them a chance to elaborate on any details. I followed up with subsequent interviews to see if they thought of any other ideas and to clarify my own understanding of their initial interviews. This methodology is called grounded action, and it blends both grounded theory and action research to suggest necessary policy changes. There were many limits to this study, but this is the short list. I had hoped to have between 10 and 20 participants, but after soliciting 5 high schools through an open email, I ended up with 8 actual respondents in 3 area high schools. So here's what I discovered. Most participants use social networking sites as an electronic means of reminding, maybe nagging, students. All but one use it in this way. Another group uses it for practices, games, and performances, and to alert people of upcoming events. Most use it in some way to connect with others professionally or to gain resources. And 2 use an LMS to host their business classes and computing classes. The platforms are equally diverse. 2 use Schoology with their students exclusively, but most are using various combinations of social networking sites. This topic was noted by every participant in some way. Most have strict guidelines for their students, and all were very aware of stories related to the firing of teachers who showed poor judgment on a social networking site. All participants noted improved communication and participation of their students. All reported time savings, though some also discussed the immediacy of social networking sites, which took time away from their families at some intervals. The last topic was universally discussed. All realized the power and potential for student use, and all saw this as a bridge between educational goals and the lives of our students. So the takeaway from my research are these key points. 1, that there's a limited use of social networking sites within this county. 2, that we need to increase access will have to be considered and improved for our students and teachers. 3, the variety of social networking sites actually leads to greater inefficiency and detracts from the best aspects of social networking. 4, that following the example of my 2 ideal users of social networking, the county should adopt a learning management system, probably Schoology, that allows integration of grading, collaboration, and socialization. This will eliminate major worries, privacy, and professionalism, and encourage greater parent participation and awareness of classroom issues. Social networking can and will be an ongoing educational format, and I hope that our students will start to use it effectively. Thank you very much, and I hope you got something out of my research study. Good night.